Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Microsoft logo boot animation on any rooted Android phone. This is a great way to customize your phone and make it look unique. To install a custom boot animation on your Android phone, you will need the following: a rooted Android phone, Magisk Manager app, Microsoft logo boot animation file download link in video description. If your Android phone is not already rooted, you will need to root it first. Rooting your phone will give you access to the root directory of your system, which is where you will need to place the boot animation file. There are many different ways to root your Android phone. You can find instructions online. The Microsoft logo boot animation file is available for download from the link in the video description. Download the file to your phone's internal storage. To install the Microsoft logo boot animation file, follow these steps. Open the Magisk Manager app. Tap on the Modules tab. Tap on the Install Modules button. Select the Microsoft logo boot animation file. Tap on the Install button. Reboot your phone. You can customize the boot animation by using a terminal app. To do this, follow these steps. Open a terminal app. Type su and press enter. Type cool boot and press enter. You'll see the boot animation customizer screen. From here, you can set a custom height, width, and FPS. You can also make your boot animation playable to preview its changes before rebooting. That's it. You should now have a Microsoft logo boot animation on your rooted Android phone. I hope you enjoy this customization. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Android customization tips.